the Lord outside the courtyard while Jesus was being tried, but Jesus was restoring him to purpose and passion and usefulness in his life. And what Jesus did for Simon Peter, he can do for every single one of us as well. Now, a lot of people are missing out. They don't have a lot of passion in life. They don't have a lot of purpose in their lives because of failure in their lives. And almost everybody has failed in some way at some time or another in their life. Some people have failed in businesses or in their careers. They've been fired from a job or invested in a business where they worked hard, yet the business collapsed and they felt like a failure. Some people have failed vocationally. Some people have failed in school.